I'm Sean and I'm going to go through the unboxing process. So you've bought your brand new Pictar here. Simply open up the box. This clear plastic opens up like this, and then you can take your Pictar out of the box. And then underneath there's a little box here which is your got the straps in it. There's a little leaflet with a quick start guide, and then just in case you don't find it, underneath here we've got the Pictar bag. So there we go. Put these aside. So the first thing you need to do when you buy your Pictar is to activate it. We put a little plastic tab here that isolates the battery in transportation so that it arrives to you in the best quality. So literally you can either just pluck it out, or if it's a little tricky you can actually open the door and just hold the battery in place and pull the tab. You'll know that it's working correctly because you see the little blue LED light that's flashing there? That's showing that the battery is activated and the unit is ready for action. If in time it starts flashing rapidly, you see it's a gentle pulse at the moment, that shows the battery's running down. But that shouldn't be the case when you first get the product. So just slot the battery pack into position like that. Take your phone. You've got to put the end here with the microphone and the adapter in, the lightning adapter, into it so it aligns up with the Pictar here. When you first buy the phone, you go to the App Store, put in Pictar, and there you go, you're ready to download the app, which I've already done actually. So just open up the app, and there we go, ready to start. The other part of the product are these straps, which are here in this little blue box. There's two straps. One's a wrist strap, and the other one's a neck strap, depending on how you want to mount it. And these, quite nice, actually show you how to take the phone out. And these little straps, you just literally unclip it like this, feed the tab through the little hole here that's there on the corner, slide it through, and then just loop it round, and it holds it into position. And your quick start guide will take you through a lot of that, takes you through the process of downloading the app in the App Store, and the bit about the battery, which I explained to you a little earlier, and the installation. So that's unboxing your Pictar.